let us prepare, make some good profits today. Market left us very big clues right here. Let's talk about that in today's video. 5-day, 20-day, very important levels here. Will be big moves. You have to pay attention to the liquidity zones here. But before that intraday analysis, it's important you understand the intraday algorithms, because they will provide you big clues for what to expect in the larger time frame at 10:25 here. Now take a look. This was when we identified the stronger blue control algorithm for the bears here. And you see how beautifully the market grabbed the liquidity from the blue on the way down. Now this particular move here was almost a 10-point move if you took it from the break of orange. Absolutely beautiful trade. Is this enough for you? Absolutely. So learn to prepare. Be patient. Train your eyes to look at the algorithms here. Now there was a microstructure here, just in case you're wondering about the wicks right here, because the market was just busy building. Nested showed us here at 11:07 exactly where the blue algorithm is. You see that nested right shoulder, absolutely beautiful. This was off the original right shoulder, and just take a look. It's the exact same trade, but with a microstructure. All because you understood how to be looking out for structure together with the algorithms right here. Now, one trade is all you need. I haven't been well, so I haven't been trading much. But this is it, one trade, all you need. With my small account, doubling it, 5-figure, good to go. And go enjoy your life. This is what exactly trading is about. Not about coveting the pre-market moves or what you have missed. It's about gathering clues, training your eyes, see the algorithms, and then finding profits in the charts, and then go enjoy your life. I truly want you to do well. This is why I try to report in, even though I'm not feeling too well. You need a reminder every day, even if the content is repetitive, to be reminded that we can literally do this every day with good returns. And trading, it's not about a windfall. It's not about making big money because you took additional risks. Because when you start gambling, you're going to lose twice, multiple times as much one day. But it's about learning the skill so you can do this for the rest of your life, as you see what we're doing on a daily basis. This is serious money right here. Something that can literally change your life. How much do you want it? Do you want it bad enough that you're willing to put down your pride, humble yourself, and paper trade, for example, until you get this right, until you get the technicalities and mechanics out of the way and get it right? You see, this journey is more than just trading. It's a journey with yourself. You know, when I entered high finance, the first thing they do is to devalue you, is to remind you that we were little pieces of shit. That's what they do. They want you to be reminded that we are nothing. And only when you're humbled, you will start to take things a little bit more seriously. I'm a young man in my 20s, getting a swanky new internship, knowing my career is going places. That's exactly what they need to do to you. Put you back down on earth. But yet when you are deconstructed, the person who's deconstructing you is very crucial. In this case, we're deconstructed by the banks. They want to put in a new identity to us. It's a toxic environment. They want you to be reminded to make plenty of money so you can do the same, to look down on others, chase material wealth, continue to be bonded as a slave for life to the company. You see, when they deconstruct you, they give you a new identity. And that's the problem. When we are here, don't let the market deconstruct you. Don't let your inner demons deconstruct you. You have to let the higher power deconstruct you and give you a new identity, give you a new heart, give you a new purpose. So it's very important when you come to the trading floor, it's not just about money, because it will come to a point you get sick and tired of making money. It sounds like a good problem, isn't it? But if you're not ready, if you're not equipped, if you don't have the fundamentals, I'm going to give you $1 million today and you are going to sin in your life. That's just the truth. You're not just going to take the $1 million and spend it on frivolous stuff. You are going to destroy yourself with that $1 million. That's the point of it. You are just not ready. So focus on the fundamentals. You must focus on deconstructing yourself and know who's deconstructing you. And be careful with who is truly deconstructing you, because that entity, be it yourself, be it a higher power, be it the market, and in this case, crooks running the market, they want to deconstruct you and remind you that the market is a scam. You must make money from meme stocks. You see the problem with that? You're allowing them to shape your identity in the stock market, because this is a very emotional game. So you have to stay true. You have to stay focused. You need to know why you're doing this. You need to know how to do this properly with strong fundamentals. Day by day, put in the work. You realize that your victory comes not from one single trade. Your victory comes from reporting in every single day and doing this faithfully. It's the same as parenting. It's the same with everything you do in life. No one cares about that one victory you have, but people care about you being around. People care about you having that longevity so you can endure. People care more than what you perceive your victory to be. So stay focused. Those who are not doing well, I want you to report in every day. Put in the work. You will see results for yourself. And for those who are doing well, you have to ask yourself, is your process repeatable? And you have to stay focused and not start gambling or start misusing the resources that is blessed upon you. It's about learning this skill, this lifetime skill, so you can do this for the rest of your life by learning to find 5-figure profit trades. And I've shown you it's very possible to do it, but it's a long-term skill you need to learn. So don't rush this. And most importantly, please do not join if you're looking for signals. Signals will ruin you. You need to learn this skill for a lifetime, so you can do this every single day for the rest of your life. And we're talking about $10,000 a day, not a month, mind you, every single day. This skill is worth every ounce of your energy and determination to learn and master. It's not going to be easy, why should it? But it is possible. Stay focused. Run this race strong. It will be life-changing, not just financially, but you will see how trading will make you a better person. Stay focused. We got this. So let's get back to this. We are back here right now at this liquidity wedge. Now I want you to see there is this magenta right here. Market may be building liquidity here. So just be more mindful about that. We are in the selling continuation, it will be clear, but I want you to pay close attention to this couple of liquidity zones here. Firstly, right here, and the second one of the magenta right here. However, you can always wait for cups to close, like I always mention. You can wait for cups to close, form a structure here before we start pushing back up right here. So pay close attention now. We are indeed forming a bull flag here. You will see it happening. Now, we are still above 5-day, so it's quite important you look out for that. However, there is a larger structure here you have to pay close attention to, and that is this orange rhythm where the 5-day moving average can turn into some sort of resistance. Now, we may form a microstructure here, may take a couple of days, so just pay close attention, especially if we do retest the 5-day moving average here. There is a larger structure you have to pay close attention to, and that's where the inverse cup is. So by then, your 5-day will already turn into some sort of resistance, so pay close attention to that. Now, I'm a little concerned about this controlled selling here, so just pay close attention. Let the algorithms guide you, especially if we do break out of that orange. There is beautiful liquidity here, just in time for where the 20-day moving average is. So pay close attention to this particular structure here. Otherwise, wait for cups to close with the magenta if this wants to go up further. By then, you will see your 20-day moving average already turning into some sort of support, pushing this out of the wedge here. Now, watch out for the wedge right here and right here as we trade within where the 5-day and the 20-day moving average will be. So just be more careful. Remember, find profits in the charts. That's what you need to be focusing on. Don't be too concerned where the charts are going. Plenty of money to be made here. This is serious business. So put on your most serious mode and start focusing on finding profits in the charts. Thank you very much for watching. See you closer to opening bell.